Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, then my name is Himani. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's makeup look, I'm going to show you how to do this warm brown tone kind of a makeup look which is paired with dark lips. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So starting off with my favorite moisturizer, here I'm using this Ayurveda Eladi hydrating Ayurvedic face cream to moisturize my face, and then to prep my lips I'm using this strawberry lip butter. This one is from the Body Shop. And then to prime my face I'm using this MAC prep+prime fixing spray. And then for foundation today, I'm using this Clinique Even Better Makeup with an SPF of 15. This gives a very light to medium coverage, but it is very lightweight in texture and has thin consistency. So you can definitely build it up depend upon the coverage that you prefer without looking any heavy or cakey in your skin. And the best part of this is that it gives a very healthy glow to my skin, which I usually prefer during winter time. And it might be looking very heavy here in the camera or due to the lights, but in general this is very light and you can see it looks like my skin but better. Next, to bronze up my face, I'm using this Urban Decay Naked Flush palette, and I'm taking this bronzer to bronze up my face and also contouring at the same time. And then I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me blush. It's in the shade Wine, and applying it on the apples of my cheeks and slightly on my nose. And for a highlighter, I'm using this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. This one in the shade Molten Gold. This is very pigmented and it can definitely compete with any other high-end brand. So if you want a very affordable and a really good option for a highlighter, I would definitely recommend this to you. And then for the brows, I'm using this MAC eyebrow styler, this one in the shade Spiked, just to fill in those gaps around my arch area and in the inner part of my eyebrows, and then brushing them with the help of a spoolie to set them in place. Moving on to the eyes now, I'm using this Elegant Hot Heat Aloha Vibes eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking this sunlight shade right here and then applying it on the crease just to give it a nice transition to my eye makeup, and then followed by using Utopia right here and applying it, sort of deepening up my crease area to give it more warmth to the eye makeup. Now I'm taking sunshine shade right here and applying it all over my lids with the help of my finger just to give it more pigmented look. Lastly, I'm taking a Spirit shade right here and mostly concentrating it towards the outer V of my eye to create a gradient kind of a look, and also I'm dragging it towards my crease area just to deepening it up, and also I'm taking it along my lower lash line to give it more defined and more polished look to the eye makeup. Then to line my upper lash line, I'm going to use this super liner. It's from L'Oreal and it has a felt tip which make it easy to create a wing eyeliner look, and since I am a wing eyeliner person, so I have to create this. Then I'm using Volume Million Lashes Mascara, also from L'Oreal, and I'm applying it all over my top as well as bottom lashes. This is a very nice mascara in an affordable option. Now if you want, you can always go for a slightly more dramatic look by adding a pair of false eyelashes, but I generally prefer my natural lashes, so that's why I'm applying only mascara to my top as well as bottom lashes. And for the lips now, I'm using this MAC Retromatte liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Carnivorous. It's complementing my eye makeup and basically just completing the whole makeup look together. So here is the final look for you guys. I hope you like this video. If you like it, then let's not forget to give it a big thumbs up. All the products detail are mentioned down in the description box, so make sure you check that out. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you will get notified whenever I will upload my latest video. See you in my next video. Bye.